Now in this question we are having sin mod x. Now sin mod x is equal to sin x if x is greater than or equal to 0 and sin minus x if x is less than 0. Now minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin mod x dx is equal to minus pi by 2 to 0 with sin minus x dx plus 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. Now this becomes minus integration of minus pi by 2 to 0 for sin x dx plus 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx. Now integration of sin x is minus cos x. So negative of cos x, so this becomes cos x minus pi by 2 to 0, negative of cos x from 0 to pi by 2. Now filling the values, cos 0 minus cos minus pi by 2, negative of cos pi by 2 minus cos 0. 1 minus 0 minus cos pi by 2, 0 minus minus 1. Sorry, cos 0 is 1. Now this is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, answer.